Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home. Today we will continue the chapter number 9, Soil, and this is part 2. I hope you remembered the part 1 that we studied. Let's recall that. First of all, we studied what is soil and how the plants and trees grows on it, and how most of the living things dependent on the food which is provided by the plants, and soil also provide home for many living beings and insects. Then we studied what is soil formation, how is soil formed, that long process breaking down of rock into the smaller pieces. Then this breaking down is known as weathering. Then we studied what is humus, means that the dead and decaying matter which is mixed within the soil, that is humus. And how is soil composed, what is soil composed of? I told you it is composed of gravel, sand, clay, water, air, humus, and all that, and the basic components which are rock materials, organic materials, air, water, and microorganisms. I told you what are microorganisms. The organisms, the living beings which we cannot see with our naked eyes, which we can see with only the help of microscope. Okay, now I'll tell you the different types of the soil. Now we will discuss the different types of soil. Soil is classified into 5 different types based on their particle size, texture, and colors. Now, soil is basically divided into the 5 different categories. Number 1, we have gravel. As you can see the picture on the screen, which tells you that gravel consists of large numbers of stones that allow water to pass easily, and it cannot hold water. It means that gravel consists of stones which allow the water to pass from it easily. Next, we have sand. Sand particles are large, as you can see in the picture. Sand is light and dry with a rough texture. Sand has a very rough texture, it is not soft. If you touch the sand, you will feel that it is very rough. It does not hold water. Same as the gravel cannot hold water, sand also cannot hold water. Next, clay. Clay particles are very fine and closely packed. As you can see in the picture, the particles of the clay are very fine. It is very sticky if it is wet, and it can hold water. Okay. Then we have loam soil. Loam is a mixture of sand, clay, and humus. This soil is the mixture of other three materials, that is sand, clay, and humus, and we already know that what is humus. Thus the size of these particles varies. As you can see in the picture, some particles are very large and some particles are very small. Next we have silt. Silt is a fertile soil that is brought down by the rivers. Silt particles are smaller in size than the sand particles. This soil is very fertile for the agriculture purpose, as it is brought down by the rivers. As the river flow, it takes soil with it. So these soil are bring down by the rivers. These particles, these soil particles are actually smaller in size than the sand particles. Alright, next we have soil profile. Now, what is soil profile? Mainly, soil profile refers to the layers of the soil. As we dig downwards from the surface of the earth, अगर हम ऊपर से सॉइल को डिग करते हैं और नीचे की तरफ जाते हैं, then we can see the soil has different layers. 3 different layers. First is the topsoil, second is subsoil, and third is bedrock. Alright, first, what is topsoil? Topsoil is the uppermost layer of the सॉइल, जो सबसे ऊपर होती है, ओके, दैट कंटेन्स ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स, उसके अंदर बहुत डिफरेंट पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, सच एज सैंड, यू नो व्हाट इज सैंड, ग्रेवल ऑल्सो, ह्यूमस, एयर एंड वाटर, and plants grow on the topsoil. Topsoil is that we can see, right? ऊपर आप आराम से उसको देख सकते हैं. And the plants also grow on the topsoil, as you can see in the picture which is shown. Okay. Then we have subsoil. What is subsoil now? The middle layer of the soil is called subsoil. Middle layer means जो बीच में होती है, after the topsoil. It is right below the topsoil, means topsoil के एकदम बाद जो soil की layer आती है, that is subsoil. Subsoil is rich in minerals. It has lots of minerals. It contains broken piece of rocks. It has water and very less humus. इसके अंदर कुछ पीस होते हैं, किसके पीस होते हैं, रॉक्स के पीस होते हैं, राइट. इट हैज़ वाटर, उस पर क्या होता है, थोड़ा पानी होता है, एंड अ वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट ऑफ ह्यूमस ऑल्सो, राइट. आफ्टर दैट द बॉटम लेयर, द थर्ड लेयर ऑफ द सॉइल इज कॉल्ड बेड रॉक. This layer is quite deep inside the earth's surface and is largely made up of rocks. As you can see in the picture, mainly this layer is made up of many big rocks which is very deep inside the earth, and there is no much water present here. There is very less amount of water which is present here. Now let's recall what is soil profile. That is, the different layers of the soil is known as soil profile. First we have topsoil, then we have subsoil, and then we have bedrock. I hope this is clear to you. Rest of the chapter we will do in part 3. Thank you.